Alright, tonight guys I'm scrapping this. This is a Bluetooth speaker meat thermometer. My friends gave me this to scrap a long time ago. They said the battery wouldn't hold a charge. So I of course popped a new battery in it and used it for a while. These things don't like being left out in the rain though. And the charging system in it went. You could charge this and then bring this out to your grill, listen to music, answer your phone, and it had the perfect meat temperatures on here, so you can get your perfect medium rare steak. Perfect. And this thing worked really good. Too bad it died, and we're gonna scrap it. Now, I do have a different meat thermometer inside, and it takes the same plug, I think, so I'm saving this. This is gonna get reused. Maybe, hopefully, probably. I'm saving it. That's not scrap. Let's see what's in here. Or should we start with the AC adapter? Not seeing any screws, not feeling any screws under the sticker. So we're gonna have to get into it the fun way. There we go. Sometimes they're glued, sometimes they just snap together. Remember guys, protect your hands, protect your eyes. And we're in. Not seeing too much yummy in here. I've seen those before. I think they got insulated copper in them. I don't know if I'll be making a mistake pulling this apart, because sometimes this stuff is worth more for its weight as copper bearing. Yeah, I'm gonna call it copper bearing. And this end here is also brass. Magnet does not stick to that. So I'm gonna pull this out. I didn't cut it, I pulled it out. You get more of it that way. Oh, can't forget this brass. Brass plug-ins. A little bit of brass still left in here. Let's get the scale turned on. I discovered with smaller items, probably better to switch it to ounces. Some number 2 insulated. Some copper bearing circuit board. Now let's get to the good stuff. Another little piece of brass. Is this gonna fit down in there? No. Do I want to get out a longer screwdriver? No. I hear something rattling in there. Where's that battery? Because I put a different battery in here. Here it is. I'll be taking my battery back. Forgot what I got this battery out of. This came out of a different project. Keep my ends from touching. So I'll be saving my battery too. You got some copper bearing circuit board. We have a speaker with some number 2 insulated on it. Now inside the speakers there is a coil, a voice coil. That's always under the speaker. Look at that. Just like I said. It's almost like I knew it was going to be in there. We got some number 2 copper. And this is just tin now. If you're looking for magnets, guys, speakers are a good place to find magnets. Number 2 insulated. copper bearing board. Ooh, look at that nice copper bearing board. Am I seeing anything good on this board? Some number 2 insulated. Those look like some gold contacts there. This board's green on both sides. We got some gold. See the gold? These monolithic ceramic capacitors are almost too small to even mess with. But this is the antenna for the Bluetooth. That's what that is. That's what that's got to be. I'm gonna see if there's any copper inside of this thing. Doesn't look, I don't recognize that. Nope. I will be plucking this off. Can I get underneath it? Ouch! Wear your gloves, guys. I'm saving this. This is gonna go on my gold bearing board. This doesn't go to the scrapyard. I'll be selling this on board sort eventually. But I'll just add it to my pile. And we got some green board, green on both sides. Oh, another little chunk of circuit board down in here. And these are the microphones. The charging port and the port that this was on. So, there you have it. Done. Some screws for the tin bucket. Not too bad. A few minutes worth of work. Make some extra change. So let's see how we did. We got 3 ounces total weight. We'll start with the number 2 insulated. 1 ounce of that. Nothing. Doesn't even register. Some number 2 insulated, some tin for the tin bucket, some brass for the brass bucket, some copper bearing brown board, and some nice yummy green board, green on both sides. Copper bearing, some more number 2 insulated, and a nice little piece of number 2 copper. People think I'm crazy, but as you can see, it adds up. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.